Hi, this is Marvelyn Brown with Making It Remotely, and today I'm going to show you a tool called Pretty Links. Now, Pretty Links is the way that you are going to be able to manage these long, ugly links. And I'm going to give you an example here in a moment of a long, ugly link, and then we're going to go into Pretty Links, and we're going to make it pretty, right? Okay, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you I'm in my Amazon affiliate account. So if you're an Amazon affiliate, you know that on the Amazon website, you have these site stripe. And so the site stripe is where you get your links. So we're going to pretend that I'm going to promote this Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. And I'm not going through all the rest of that. That's a really long name, but you get the gist. We want to promote this product. Now, this is a high value product. It's got some really decent ratings. And so I'm not trying to talk today about the Amazon affiliate program, but this might be something that you could really get. Number one, it's got really great ratings. It's something that is a high ticket item, and you might be able to get a really good commission if you were able to sell a few of these, right? So this would definitely be something that I would want to promote on my making it remotely, but my Natural Green Life. So I have a My Natural Green Life brand, and I also have a Making It Remotely brand. So we're gonna just pretend that we're promoting this on the My Natural Green Life website. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to text. We're going to get our link. Now, Amazon will give you a short link. However, when you're using these short links, you have to be careful because some of the social platforms do not allow you to post shortened links. So if you're, using these kinds of links to post on like Pinterest and Facebook and places like that, they're really, kind of particular about the kinds of links that you can use. So they want you to use the full link, which I think is just really crazy. So I want you to just see how long this link is. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click on this and we're going to copy it. And I'm just going to put it in a notepad. So we're going to paste this link. Now look at this link. This is crazy. This is absolutely insane, because if I were to post this on my social media platform, people would probably be afraid to click on this link, right? But this is what we call an ugly link. This is an ugly link from Amazon. So there are a lot of different ways that you can address this. And I'm going to take you over to Making It Remotely, and I'm just going to show you how you can get around this. So, and this is the back end of my site, so just don't pay attention to this area over here. I want you to pay attention to this. So the way that we handle ugly links, and here is a version of that link as well. So basically, you can hide that link behind text. So you would just highlight this text like that, and then you would click on this link, and you would put that ugly link, you would paste that ugly link right in there where it is highlighted in blue. Okay, so that is one way that you can deal with an ugly link. Just hide it behind a text, and the text is the name of the vacuum. So if someone clicks on that, they're going to go to Amazon and they'll be able to buy it using my link. But you can also use something like a pretty link. So let me just show you. I'm going to scroll down here and show you what a pretty link could look like. So this is a pretty link, and I'm going to get rid of these little red lines. Okay, so this is a pretty link of that same link, and it could look something like makingitremotely.com/Roborock. Or in my case, this might be mynaturalgreenlife.com/Roborock. So the name of the item is Roborock. That's the brand. And so I put that brand name at the end of my pretty link. And so this is a unique link that is only going to be used for my domain because it's got my domain here, makingitremotely.com. No one else is going to be able to use that link. And so this is a much better looking link, right? And it's something that people wouldn't mind clicking on. Or if, say, for instance, I were doing my podcast, I could just say, to get this vacuum, go to makingitremotely.com/Roborock, right? And then people, that are familiar with that brand would go out and they would, just go to makingitremotely.com/Roborock, and they would be able to see my landing page that tells them how to get this product. So this is a much better way to make your links look nice. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to Pretty Links. Here we are. This is a plugin. So Pretty Links is a plugin. If you have WordPress, you can just go out to, do a search for the Pretty Links plugin in the back end of your WordPress. So this is the back end of my WordPress, and as you can see, I have Pretty Links here. So the way that I would create this link is I would go into Pretty Links, I would click on Add New, and then I would put as the title, because this is where the title is going to be. So if I were to promote this on social media, or if I were to use this, in any context, I could actually put this link anywhere. So wherever I put the link, this title is going to show up. And so you want to use the name, either the name of the product, and let me just get out of this. So we would just say Roborock S8 Pro vacuum, robot vacuum, and mop. We're not going to put all this other stuff. So we'll use that as our title. And that way people know exactly what it is that they are clicking on. And then we're going to go back in and we're going to get our link. We're going to get the full link. We're going to right click on this and we're going to copy it and we're going to go and paste it in. So now we've got our title, and now we're just going to paste in our ugly link in the target URL. So there is the link. And see, this is going to enable me, if I call this out on my podcast, if I list this on social media, if I put it at the bottom, you know how you put your website on the bottom of your images when you're doing social media, wherever I put this link, if someone clicks on it, I am going to get credit for that with the Amazon affiliate program. And hopefully if someone clicks on it and they go over to Amazon, hopefully they will make a purchase. And for everyone who makes a purchase, I'm going to be able to get that commission. So here's my affiliate link, my ugly affiliate link that I'm pasting in here. And then the back end, so the site is going to be makingitremotely.com, and we said the back end of this was going to be the word Roborock. That is the brand name. So we're going to put that on the back end, and we're going to just make that a lowercase r. And we can even put in notes here if we want. Now we can make this a temporary redirection, or we can make it permanent. I want it to be permanent because, years into the future, if this Roborock vacuum is still around, I want people to be able to go to Amazon, use my link, and buy it. The other place that you can put this link is in your YouTube videos. So when you have your description in your YouTube video, say for instance, I'm doing a review, of this Roborock vacuum, I can put the link for people to get that vacuum in the description of my YouTube video. You can do the same thing for your TikTok videos or any other short form videos where you can enter either a tag or information about that particular product. So now that we've got our link, now we're ready to hit the update button, and that's going to save that in that's going to save that link in my Pretty Links account. So whenever I use that link, you know, the Roborock link, and let me just show you, this is how it looks in Pretty Links. So this is the back end Roborock, and let's see if I can, I don't think I can view this. Okay, so I can't view it, but I can definitely and actually I can now from Pretty Links, and this is something I didn't even know. So in Pretty Links, you can email it, and let's just see. Wow, this is cool. So if I email this to someone, I can use this to email. I can tweet it to someone using Twitter. Oh, that is so cool. You have to log in first. Target, I'm not sure what that means. Let's see. Oh, so there, this is where you can just, you know, go out and this link will take you to your Target. And then let's see what else. Pretty Link. So then this gives me the actual Pretty Link, and it takes me out to my Target as well. So these are some little things that you can do in here that will enable you to see what your link looks like and test it out to make sure that it's sending people to the right place. And then, you know, it gives you the date. It gives you the number of times that people click on the link. And so this is a really good tool, and it's really a tool that I need to use more often. But anyway, that's my demonstration of Pretty Links, and hopefully that helps you to understand the power of using this tool, because you don't want to be limited by those ugly affiliate links, but you want to be able to, you want to make sure that you get credit for your affiliate links when you're sending people out to various websites so that you can get your commission. So I appreciate your time. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you on the next video.